give you a brief tutorial on how to make this many noodles. So I know the instructions say to bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to a boil, but what I always do is 6 cups of water. I bring that to a boil. Then I just put a little bit of salt in here. Once it boils, we will add these noodles to it. We'll cook them for 12 minutes, stirring them every 2 minutes, and that's it. Just switch from high to number 8, okay? And you'll just leave it on during the whole time you're cooking. Reach our first 2-minute mark, so we're gonna go ahead and stir it, just like this. And then we won't stir again until another 2 minutes. And you keep doing that till the 12 minutes is up. Now that they are done, we're gonna pour this into our colander, and we're gonna turn this on as well, okay? Take it up a bit. We'll put it into our container, and it'll be ready to go. I like putting a little bit of teriyaki sauce on my noodles throughout the week, but you can put it on top whatever you want on your noodles. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.